Welcome to Real Estate Insights. Today we are thrilled to introduce Flamanti by VTP Lux Phase 1, a remarkable residential development nestled in the vibrant locale of Wagholi, Pune. Developed by Integrated Business Ecosystem Private Limited, Flamanti promises an unparalleled living experience designed to elevate your lifestyle. This residential development promises not just homes but a lifestyle tailored for comfort and convenience to new heights. Flamanti enjoys a strategic location in Wagholi, Pune, offering residents the perfect blend of convenience and serenity. Situated in close proximity to major IT hubs, educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and entertainment options, Flamanti ensures that you're never far from life's essentials. Additionally, easy access to key roadways ensures seamless connectivity to other parts of Pune and beyond, making everyday commuting a breeze. Spanning across a sprawling area, Flamanti offers a range of meticulously crafted residences, including 2, 3, and 4 BHK apartments. Each unit is thoughtfully designed to maximize space, comfort, and functionality, providing residents with the ultimate in modern living. With sizes ranging from 660 to 1587 square feet, there's a perfect home for every lifestyle and family size. The project boasts state-of-the-art amenities and facilities, ensuring a luxurious and comfortable living experience for all residents. Let's take a virtual tour of Flamanti and discover its exquisite features and amenities. From the moment you step into the premises, you'll be greeted by meticulously landscaped gardens, inviting pathways, and modern architectural marvels. Step inside the residences to experience the epitome of luxury living, with spacious interiors, elegant finishes, and panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Explore the meticulously designed common areas, including the clubhouse, swimming pool, fitness center, and more, where residents can unwind and rejuvenate after a long day. At Flamanti, community and lifestyle are at the forefront. Residents here enjoy a host of amenities and facilities designed to enhance their quality of life. Whether you're looking to socialize with neighbors at the community events, relax by the poolside, or indulge in outdoor activities at the sports facilities, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The dedicated children's play area ensures that the youngest residents have a safe and fun environment to explore and make lasting memories. As of now, Flamanti by VTP Lux Phase 1 is in the initial stages of development, with construction underway and expected completion by March 2028. The project is set to offer a plethora of amenities and enhancements, including landscaped gardens, recreational facilities, and more, to enhance the living experience for residents. With a strong focus on quality and innovation, Flamanti promises to be a benchmark for luxury living in Wagholi, Pune. Flamanti is a government-approved project, adhering to all legal and regulatory requirements. With its RERA registration No. P52100051826, the project offers transparency and peace of mind to investors and homebuyers alike. The government-approved project layout provides a detailed overview of the structure, amenities, and green spaces, ensuring complete transparency and compliance with all regulations. In Pune's competitive real estate market, Flamanti stands out as a beacon of luxury and sophistication. Its prime location, meticulously designed residences, world-class amenities, and reputable developer make it an attractive investment opportunity for discerning home buyers. With its commitment to quality and innovation, Flamanti promises to redefine the standard of luxury living at Wagholi.